What's up? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I would so appreciate it if you can just give me a thumbs up. Even if you choose not to stay, thumbs me up. Let's get started. Y'all, I feel so bad. My baby do not know how to properly ride a bike. It is so insane. Keep going. Let me see. Yeah, say October. Did you shake it though?
Yeah, I did.
Is there any ice down here? Good morning. She's having some pressed juice. And
Ice.
I'm gonna make me some coffee. I was gonna go get on the treadmill, but then my husband said he wanted to go bike riding. So we are probably gonna leave here in like an hour because he wants to get to, we gotta drive to the beach, and then he wants to be there for when the bikes, you know, the rental open. So we're gonna do that on today. So I'm gonna make me some coffee. Hopefully it comes out good. I have really just been not so good with my coffees lately. Put a little more heavy cream on it, like the international, the lights in there. That's good. Something always irritating my eye. So I have this discoloration correction serum by Good Molecules. I've only been using it for a couple weeks. My face, I feel like, has been staying very moisturized. I try to make sure I get under my eyes because I have slightly dark circles and you want to keep it dry. I mean, not dry, I'm sorry. You want to keep it moisturized. And I try to put it in the areas where I feel like I have discoloration and stuff like that, like dark circles up in here. And then I've been loving this, even though it's very, very thin, like very thin, but it's the vitamin C and E by Sephora, which I really want to start back getting, but it's expensive. The kilts for with the vitamins and for dark spots, it's like $50 a bottle. I think I got it once or twice when they have like their 25% off sale. And when I tell you, it works really good. It works really good. But this has been keeping my face really moisturized, especially we're in summer. And then today, I've either been using the Beliefs moisturizer or I've been using the Glow Recipe moisturizer. I feel like they are one and the same. They're very like water based. Yeah, they feel the same, like the consistency, very jello, you know. See, That probably was slightly too much, especially because I do have to put on a little sunblock. Yeah, that was a lot. I'm gonna be shining. And I'm gonna put on my Black Girl sunblock. Put it in my fanny pack. I'm gonna pack my fanny pack. Let your moisturizer sit and let it soak into your skin throughout the day. That's it. That is what I've been doing after washing my face. I washed my face in the shower with Kilts deep cleansing. I have like 3 different soaps in my shower that I wash my face with. So, but this morning I did Kilts, and then I toned with The Ordinary, and then I just did what you just saw. So I'm about to clean my vanity off. You guys know this is like my favorite glass cleaner. I've already wiped it down and put everything in its place, and I be doing Aubrey's hair, so it's like broke rubber bands. Irritating. And then I'll show you guys what I have on, which is basically biker shorts in the top. I haven't put on any shoes yet, but I will in just a second. Probably these tennis shoes that I'm looking at right here. I don't know if they match. Probably not. I probably should put on some black biker shorts if I'm gonna wear these. Some all black biker shorts. Yeah, I don't know. My fanny pack. Isn't she so cute, my little dupe? Glasses, wallet, keys, lip gloss, phone. I may actually take out what I don't need, so I really don't need this wallet like that. And then I'm wearing some glasses. I need to go grab them. Glasses, I'm gonna just wear these. Nice cute outfit. I haven't worn these since Hawaii because I feel like I messed them up, but I cleaned them up pretty good, and they're super comfortable. I have these in a salmon color now too, but this was my very first pair, and they are super comfortable Adidas, very comfortable Adidas. And this is the fit. Some pink biker shorts. I think this is by Victoria's Secret or Pink. A little same matching sports bra underneath. And then just a little black top. My slouch socks that I love from Old Navy. And my fanny pack. And I'm ready to go ride the bike. Ride the bike. Ride the bike. Ooh la la la. 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 It's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la la. It's the natural law that the refugees bring. Ooh la 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 la. Y'all, I feel so bad. My baby do not know how to properly ride a bike. It is so insane. Keep going.
This one I can do with the jabba. I don't get time at the jabba. That cover my face, calling me da. Big man, we know you get da. What's it come? You are gone. All the best. The girl I know feet.
Not far on the bike, but Aubrey was kind of struggling. So we switched her. Had to switch her bike. So now we could go back. And it's probably about 8 miles from about where we start, I believe, all the way to the end. So it's a good workout. I put my phone on bike mode so we can see, you know how that goes. Always a good workout at the beach. Always. Especially during the summer like this. Anytime of the year, to be honest with you, when it comes to California. You just gotta wear a jacket. Because it gets breezy when it's not summer. You ready? Okay, we had a nice little break. With the boats behind us. Oh, that's fine.
You need to go first.
I wish I would have tried your first one, but I was like, I needed him to woosah. So I was like,